ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਇੱਕ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਸਤਿਨਾਮ ਕਰਤਾ ਪੁਰਖ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਨਿਰਵੈਰ ਅਕਾਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਅਜੂਨੀ ਸੈਭੰ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ ਜਪ ਆਦਿ ਸੱਚ जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच आदि सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच. Yesterday Maharaj Ji told us that the foundation of so beautiful, mysterious, so profound presence of yours starts with the understanding that we have something very precious and the time is limited. What happens that when we start hearing, listening means to recognize the depth of his utterances, the depth of his utterances, and our consciousness, our mind starts waking up. Our mind has stupendous power, unbelievable, infinite power it has. It has the infinite beauty, infinite love, infinite humility, infinite presence. And that infinite power of our mind, which we used to spend purposelessly every day, what happens now that immense power starts looking at a very high, beautiful destination. It becomes organized and it is directed in a defined direction. And one thing which is very important, that this purpose, this thing must be very clear to us. This clarity, the clarity of this, what we are doing, what we wish, the path we are walking, that clarity is essential. That it's about my life, it's about my state of consciousness, which determines my happiness, my peacefulness, my contentment. And nothing is more important than this. If we are not happy, if we are not peaceful, if we are not content in the present, then we are not living. We are in a dream state. Once this becomes clear, once this essentialness of clarity becomes clear to us, then we start recognizing the value of this, the value of the wealth. the wealth of beautiful personality, the wealth of higher intelligence, the wealth of true wisdom, the wealth of beauty. फिर कहंदे सा चले वन जा रिया लिखिया देवे नाल. How beautiful. Maharaj Ji says, we are sent on this planet by the divine. And when he sends us, he tells us that I'm sending you to that planet to trade the most beautiful wealth. And the most beautiful wealth is your most beautiful personality, your most precious being. वस्त लई वन जा रही वखर बद्दा पाए वस्त लई वन जा रही वखर बद्दा पाए. And he says that some earn that true wealth. Some earn that true wealth and they become the most beautiful beings. Not that they become, they discover that they were most beautiful. Ke laal chale ek challe mool gwaye. And some, they are in the real profit of being in human body, to be human consciousness. And he says that profit, some people earn that profit. Ik laha le challe, ek challe mool goye. And others lost the root of higher wisdom. How beautiful. He says, some become that being, heavy being, beautiful being, and others lose the basis of that being. Others did not take the advantage, did not reach the higher intelligence, which is God's intelligence. We would start recognizing that his utterances in the form of poetry are so melodious. They're so musical. They're so sweet. And they're filled with rare, extraordinary, wonderful love. His utterances are not just utterances of a mind. No, his utterances are filled with uniquely wonderful, extraordinarily rare love. Maharaj Ji says, my utterances are the utterances of true love. They are the singing of love. He says, my utterances are singing of love. The love sings. Love sings. Have you ever heard love singing, true love, start becoming more and more beautiful, we would recognize that compassion starts arising in us. Compassion for others, that they should also become so beautiful, so loving, so attractive, magnetic personalities. And then we would suggest others, we would make efforts to reach out to others, to ask them to join us on this talk, so that they can recognize the beauty, the wealth, the preciousness, the transforming power of Gurbani. When we are alone, say in the washroom, how do we behave with the things there? How do we open the tap? Aggressively, carelessly, or with respect? How do we catch hold of the brush? Lovingly or carelessly? Carelessly. When we take our clothes off, do we take them off while we are not there thinking about other things, or we take them off lovingly? Do we put them away or just throw them away, or we put them down with respect? These things, how we behave with lifeless things, seemingly lifeless, and we are alone, that shows us what type of people we are. Are we aggressive? To push a bucket under the tap with foot, or just aggressively? To shut a door aggressively? To throw the clothes away aggressively? That is aggressive consciousness. That cannot be beautiful. That is not beautiful consciousness. That's not happy personality. That's not precious consciousness. That's not loving consciousness. That's not humble consciousness. We all want to sit with really wise, happy, beautiful being. So wise that that's the pinnacle of wisdom, pinnacle of love. That's Gurbani, his utterances. We must reach out to others and make them aware that let us all sit every day with the wisest being, the most beautiful being, the most loving being in this universe, Gurbani, and help them. And then we should check with them, did you sit with Gurbani yesterday? बहुत ਬੀਬਸੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰੀ ਤੂੰ, ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਪਰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸੰਗ ਜੀ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੀ, ਤੂੰ ਸੰਗੀ ਨਾ। ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਸੇਵੀਐ ਹਰ ਮਨ ਵਸੈ, जिथे पौ कदे ना हुए, नानक आपे ही पत रखसी, कारज सवारे सोए। नानक आपे ही पत रखसी, कारज सवारे सोए। ठीक है, कल नूं मिलांगे। रब रखा, रब रखा।